Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2010 BMW 528i. I'm just a happy person, that's all, because I love working on cars. Alright, and today we're going to show you how to replace one of the rear license plate. Don't be one of the rear license plate bulbs. Aren't they gonna correct them and get, what the heck is wrong with people? I'm on the rear license plate bulbs coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Alright, so today we're going to show you how to change the license plate bulb on this BMW. And all you're going to need to do it is a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, not very big, and of course a new bulb.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, so you have the two license plate lights right here, one here, one here. Okay, so if you guys can see, this one's a little broken, so we have to be very careful, but you can see the slot right here. Okay, and then so what you're gonna do is move your camera, put your screwdriver in the slot, and you're gonna push to the right, and as you're pushing to the right, kind of try to bring it down a little bit. So you're gonna push and kind of bring it down. If you're doing this bulb, you're gonna do the same exact thing. You're gonna push it to the right and bring it down. So now it's not easy, or at least it's not easy for me. So we're gonna push it to the right and bring it down. Yep, like that. Once you get it down like that, you can grab it. So now, once you get like this, you grab it, and now you're gonna push to the left. Okay, and then you bring it out. Be careful not to break your connector when you bring it out. And there's your bulb. You're gonna change your bulb. So let's change the bulb, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got the new bulb here, so we're gonna put it in. You want to put this in on this side first. Make sure you're putting it in the holes right there, and then you're gonna push it into that one. Make sure it's lined up correctly. Alright, so now we're gonna put the whole thing back in. You put in your connector in first and go all the way to the right.
Left?
The left. My other right. And then you're gonna bring this part in, and now you're gonna slide it all the way to the right and push it in. And that's it. You're all done. Okay? Alright, so that's how you replace the license plate bulb on a 2010 BMW 528i. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you could post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.